Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Notorious Tech Club and today we're gonna review of the Amazfit Bip S and see is it worth buying the Amazfit Bip S watch. The first thing you're gonna notice is it is definitely a premium smartwatch. It gives a premium finish look and it just feels super. It's just 31 grams ultra light smartwatch which comes with a 40-day battery life. Yes, you heard it right, it's a 40-day battery life. User to user depending on what notifications, what smartwatch alerts you have on, but on average it should give you a 20-day battery life, which again for a smartwatch like this, it's a very big. Yes, this smartwatch is 580. Definitely one of the big features, you can even take it to the pool for swimming and still it will record your swimming notification. I've added custom watch face this smartwatch and it looks really very good. It comes with a silicone strap. This is a different strap which I purchased for the Amazfit Bip S. And this looks pretty awesome on this one. It's been more than a week now since I last charged it and you can still see I have a lot of battery life. And keep in mind, this is with turned on all the notifications from Instagram, WhatsApp and other apps like YouTube, etc. I really love the fact that it comes with transflective display, which means it is wonderful. The sunlight definitely doesn't affect the screen quality, it just increases the screen quality when it's on sunlight. So now we are going to look at all the features in details. We press the crown, it shows us status, heart rate, pi, weather, time. It's basically a main menu. It continues in a loop. We swipe right, we get the steps. Then comes the heart rate, which is the BPM. It measures the blood pressure monitor. It shows us the full day BPM, how it was relaxed, did we work out, which mode we worked out in. Then comes the pi. Then comes the music player, which I'll get to a bit later. Then we get the weather report. It shows 4 days of weather report and it's pretty accurate. Then swiping, it again brings back the loop which shows us the time again. We press the main menu, then the status tells us all day workout, how we did, what we did. It comes with 10 sports mode. The 10 sports mode includes cycling, walking, swimming, pool. It shows us the workout history is setting. We go to the alarms. We can custom alarm with the phone. We swipe down. We go to the timer. We can adjust the stopwatch however we want. It even does laps. We press the pause for pause. We press the crown to exit it. We go down to the countdown. We can set a countdown of however seconds we want. It reverse counts it, and the best part is at the end it vibrates and tells us that we are done. We go back. The compass I have not configured it right now, but it is configurable. We go to the settings. Here we have the watch faces. We get 2 custom watch faces. That means we can decide what kind of details we want. We go to the long press. We can decide what function we want when we press it long. Next, when we long press, it even takes us to the brightness option. As you can see, I've adjusted very less brightness, but still it is pretty bright. It even has a find my phone option, turn off option, and you can even reset the watch from the smartwatch itself. Now I'm going to show you how to use music control from the smartwatch to the phone. We search the music control option. As you can see, the music is playing. Here I'm shifting it to the next song. I can go back to the song. I can pause. I can play it back again. I can even increase the sound and decrease the volume. Now keeping the phone aside, and let's go and see how the heart rate works. We keep our hands stable and it starts measuring our heart rate. Just give it some time till it tells you. As it's showing, it's 84 and it's relaxed. I can swipe up and see my all-day heart rate. I should say, while testing, the heart rate was very accurate compared with the other smartwatches.